Hello, my name's Mark Hull and I look after Durham University as its contracts manager, but I also have an active role looking after the quoting of the HVAC equipment at Newcastle University, Sunderland University. We also look after Gateshead College and Newcastle College, along with a new one at Northumbria. I've been working at HLA now for a good few years, and it's a company that's got a good family atmosphere. Everybody's always happy to help, and we've got the 20-year anniversary party coming up, which everyone's really looking forward to.
Hello, my name's Peter Crookshank. Recently joined HLA Services as a service and maintenance estimator. Been in facilities management for the last couple of years and wanted to make a move to look more into the service and estimating role, where I could get a bit more exposure to what goes on the front line. On joining HLA, I'm going to be working with Mark Hull and Chris Skinner and the service team, working as an understudy to Mark. Mark showed me all the ins and outs of HLA services. Really enjoying my time at HLA so far. Looking forward to seeing what new prospects we've got on the horizon. Great company to work for. Everyone's made me feel really welcome here.